completed already our lesson half of the part. So today we will learn remaining what we are having on the textbook. Okay. Now open Studio. So Studio now open. Yesterday we have completed already page number 41 and 42, 43. Now open page number 44. Here we are having one activity 3.7. So where do birds live? Already you know where do birds live? They can live on nest. Okay, it is tree or it is some houses like that. They can live on nest. See, imagine Koki the crow and Ram are talking to each other. Complete their conversation. Here see, crow named Koki and here Ram. They both are having one conversation. So you have to observe this. I am reading textbook now. You have to keep your finger on the textbook and observe. Hi Koki, where do you live? He is asking. Immediately, crow said, Hi Ram, I live in my nest on the tree. Okay, next one. Who builds the nest for you? I build my nest by myself. Okay. Ram said, you do not have hands. Then how do you build a nest? I use my beak to carry the things to build my nest. Okay. So birds, how they can prepare their nest? They are using their beak. Okay. They can carry the things from the beak. Okay, children. So a bird's home is called nest. Most birds build their nest by collecting different materials using their beaks. Sometimes we observe birds, they can bring the small stones, okay, or small grass, dry grass, okay. Like that they can carry that one. Birds usually build their nest in safe places such as rooftops and tree tops. You know, sometimes we observe rooftops, okay, and shelves, they are preparing the nest, and sometimes they are preparing on the tree tops, okay. And birds mainly use their nest to lay eggs. Why the birds they can prepare the nest? Because they can lay eggs, okay. And nests are also a safe place for the eggs to hatch into young ones. Different types of birds build different types of nests, okay. Every bird that having same type of nest? No. Different types of nest they can prepare. How you can see the different types of nest? See, page number 45 we are having different types of nest. Okay, let's go further. See textbook. First one, weaver bird. So many times we are observing this weaver bird. Weaver bird nest. Okay. So use dried grass and pieces of leaves and twigs and make their nest. Okay, they use their beak to weave the nest. Weave means, okay, it's like a stitching. Okay, like that they can weave their nest. And next one, see, tyler bird. Okay, so we have to see different types of birds. Here, see tyler bird. Tyler birds use their beaks like needles to sew the edges of leaves together to make a cup. It's like a cup. Tyler bird they can prepare this like a cup. Inside this cup they build a nest made up of dried grass. Okay, inside of the cup they can prepare the dried grass with a nest. And next one say crows. Crows like most other birds build a nest using twigs. Twigs means small dry grass to them. Okay, and they make the inside of the nest soft by using flowers, pebbles and grass. Okay. So outside of the part they are using the twigs, and inside of the nest they are using flowers, papas or leaves. Okay. And next, swallows. Yesterday we see swallows. So swallows use mud to build their nest against walls. Okay, how they are preparing? See, swallows they are preparing using the mud. Okay, in the walls they can prepare with the mud. Okay, mud, you know. See how it is. Swallows they can prepare their nest with the mud. Okay, like clay. Next, penguins. Penguins live in cold places, they are living on the cold places. In the cold places they are having trees? No. Leaves? No. That's why they build their nest using pebbles directly on the ground. Okay. How they can prepare? They are preparing with the pebbles. Okay. And woodpeckers. See woodpeckers nest, how it is? They are pitching on the tree. See, use their sharp beaks to pick holes in tree trunks. Okay, they can pick the holes on the tree trunks. And next one, inside the hole they build their nest with the wood chips. Inside the hole they can prepare the nest with the wood chips. Okay. So different types of nest we are observing here. Children, can you do that nest? As we are having one activity. All nests are built by birds with their beaks and feet. So the type of nest depends on the place they live in and shape of their beak. Okay. So every nest it's depend upon their beaks and next depends upon their places where they can live. So where they born, they will construct their nest. So bird, build a model of a bird's nest. You are having this activity in 3A companion. Now open companion. So in companion 3A you are having model of bird's nest. See children how they are prepared here. Different types of nest here they are given. Okay. So look at this companion. You have to prepare one model of nest. Okay. Can you prepare this? And after you have to answer this. Okay. And next one see. 3.8. Imagine that you are a bird. Draw or describe your feathers, the shape of the beak and claws that you would have. Okay. If you are a bird, just imagine how the feathers, okay, and how the beak and how the claws you have to draw here. Okay. Then that is the 3.8 activity. And next one see 3.9. Sometimes people keep the birds as a pet in cages. Sometimes they are using cages. Do you observe cages? It's like they are using like steel cages. We are observing wood cages. Okay. Imagine that you are a bird. Just imagine if you are a bird, how can you? Where would you like to live? Where would you like to live? Take your answer. They are given two options. So any one option you have to take that option. And here you have to write the reason. Okay. To live in a case where there is no need to search for food, your caretaker gives you food every day. The case is your nest. It is better because your caretaker they will give food. You don't want to search food. Okay. You don't want to construct your nest. Everything care for your caretaker. And second one, to live free in the open and fly around looking for food and place to build your nest. You are living on the open places. So which one is you choose? You have to take that option and why it is you have to write here reason. Okay. Next one, last one, page number 47C, 3.10. Identify the given bird and describe its features using the pictures clues. Okay, already here they are given some parrots. So you have to describe that. First one, see what is this name? Parrot. Okay, body parts. Here they are given beak. And what is the use of beak? They are find and carry the eat food and break and open the eggs and collect materials. They are using their beak. And what are the food of the parrots? Fruits and nuts. It is the food of the parrots. And next one, where does it live? Mostly they can spend on that time trees. Okay. Next one, see body parts. Here they are choosing here claws. Then you have to write here claws. What is the uses of the claws? They can climb the trees. And next body parts here they are given wings. Okay. What is the use? They can fly. And next describe the nest. Lives in burrows in trees. Okay. So special features such as features, wings and beaks and claws differentiate birds from the other animals. These features are different from different types of birds. You know, all birds are having same features? No. Some birds are very colorful, some birds are having normal colors, like the different colors and different features. Okay, so you have to observe the differences of the birds. Okay, children? So, today we are completed up to 3.110. We are completed. Tomorrow we will discuss remaining. Okay, children? So, up to now you have to complete these activities. I will send WhatsApp pics. Then you have to complete. Okay, children? Bye.